Merhaba, welcome to the new episode of Turkish Learners Network. In this episode, we will learn basic food words in Turkish. This is part 1 of our food series. Before we begin, if you're looking for online private Turkish lessons, please visit skypeturkish.com. Balık, bira, buz, çay, çorba, et, içecek, kahve, meyve suyu, meyve, peynir, salata, sebze, soda, su, süt, şarap, şeker, tatlı, tavuk, yemek. Teşekkürler. Thank you for watching our video. Please share it with your friends and make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you would like to learn more about our online private Turkish lessons, please visit skypeturkish.com. Hoşça kalın.